This video will help you to evaluate exponents and logarithms. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. I will use the examples here in the bottom middle of the screen. Choose the Calculate app from the Home menu. An exponent is another name for an index. For example, to evaluate 10 cubed, enter 10, press the exponent key and enter the exponent 3. Press OK or the execute key to complete the calculation. 10 cubed is equal to 1000. To evaluate 5 to the power of -2, enter 5, press the exponent key and enter -2. Try to use negation for negative numbers. Again, press the execute key to complete the calculation. 5 to the power of -2 is equal to 1/25. If you want this as a decimal, press the format key. You can enter indices in fraction form. To evaluate 8 to the power of 1/3, enter 8, press the exponent key, and then fraction. Now enter your fraction 1/3. Again, press the execute or OK key. 8 to the power of 1/3 is equal to 2. We will now turn to logarithms. Logarithms are the inverse of exponents. We will use the examples of exponents we have already seen to show this. There are two ways to enter a logarithm base 10. The first is to press the log base key and enter the base 10. Scroll right and enter the value of 1000. Then press the execute or OK key to complete the calculation. Log base 10 of 1000 is 3 because 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, as we saw at the beginning. On the FX991 ClassWiz Plus UK, you can also use the log key. Press log, which is shift square, and enter the value 1000. Close the bracket and press the execute key. On the FX83 or 85 GT ClassWiz Plus, the log function can be found in the catalogue. You can enter fractions both in the base and in the value. For example, to find the log to the base 5 of 1/25, press the log base key, enter the base 5, scroll right and press the fraction key. Now enter your fraction 1/25 and press the execute key. The logarithm is -2 as we saw earlier from the exponent. Equally, to find the log to the base 8 of 2, press the log base key, enter the base 8, scroll right and enter the value 2. Press the execute key and the logarithm is 1/3. On the graph here on the right, which I have plotted in classpad.net, you can see this inverse relationship between y equals 8 to the power of x and y equals log to the base 8 of x as a reflection of the two coordinates in the line y is equal to x. To find natural logarithms, for example ln 6, use the natural log key. This is shift log base. Now enter the value 6, close the bracket and press the execute key. I suggest it's worth spending some time getting used to using logarithms to different bases.